world, Clay Dawson here. Come back with another video about this 9000 from Harbor Freight. Very good generator. Just got a few little things that they could have done better. You know, if you checked out our last video about how to bypass this sensor, go check that out if you haven't. But the last generator we had, it wasn't even 90 days old, but it had an issue where that bracket, see how it's sitting right on the gas tank? It caused a little pinhole on that side and gas would run down on top of the muffler. So we're gonna show you what we're gonna do to prevent that, because we noticed that this one, we just picked this one up brand new. It has the same issue. That bracket right there, it's like super close to the gas tank. So we don't want the same thing to happen and, you know, have to take time out of work, go swap generator out, take the gas out, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. So again, to access this, we're gonna take these 4 8mm bolts out. We already got 2 of them out. I'll take these other 2 out. And we're doing this because this is the only way you really can access the brackets. You do have to remember that you got your like a little fuel line that goes down, and then you got your main fuel line here. So don't forget that these are attached. I'm not going to detach those. I just want to be able to slide the generator, I mean not the generator, the gas tank, just a little away from this corner here. So I'll show you this corner I'm talking about. This was the troublemaker right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna file this down, you know, the corner of it, so it don't mess with the integrity of the mount, but I just don't want it to be so close on the inside of the gas tank. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. Stay tuned. All right, so again, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna grind this. We're gonna grind that corner down. Yep. But you know, we don't wanna mess up the integrity of the bracket, but we just wanna modify it a little bit. Gonna get this off so it don't sit on that gas tank. All right, don't forget, put your safety glasses on, folks. Now, it ain't the prettiest grind, but I just wanted to get it off of that bracket. So we're gonna see how it sit up on there now. I know some of y'all could have done a better job, and that's cool. Do a better job. All right, let's see how it's gonna fit up. Perfect. Beautiful. See now, if you look up under there, or if you look right there, see the gas tank here sitting right on that bracket. That's what we want. See here, you already got good space, not sitting on the bracket. Let's check the other side. Yep, same here. It's not sitting on the bracket. And same there. Not sitting on the bracket. Beautiful. So if you buy this generator, check the side where the muffler is, this bracket. I would check that bracket because for some reason it sits right on the gas tank, and when this thing is running, of course it's going to vibrate some, and it whittles a hole, a little pinhole right there, and then you have gas leaking down on top of your muffler. So hopefully this has helped somebody out. If you have this generator, just make sure you check that bracket. I ain't gonna make this video super long, but of course, you know, you put this board back up with your brackets here, you got your 4 8mm bolts, and then you have 10mm bolts on the top to loosen your gas tank. Just put all that back together and you should be good to go. Peace out, folks. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe.